Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see over here, I'm going to share some key points related to water potential. Number one, water potential at standard temperature is 0 and pure water has greatest water potential. Second point is, if the solute is dissolved in pure water, the water potential will get reduced. Third point is, on increasing the water concentration, the kinetic energy or water potential also increases. Fourth important point is that water potential is denoted by symbol psi. When the subscript we denote W. Now solute potential is also denoted by psi, and in the subscript it is S. So when more solute, it means more negative solute potential. And for pressure potential, it is again denoted by psi and P at the subscript. Now more pressure means more positive pressure potential. And here you can see the equation that water potential is equal to solute potential plus pressure potential. So these are the key points. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.